My name is Markus Knausenberger. I am responsible for all digital additive processes at Fela. And we are producing PCBs now for more than 30 years. So we have a great experience in PCB production. When you have a look at the technology, you directly see the possible benefits of inkjet printed solder mask. On the one side, you have an additive process. And I think in nowadays, an additive process compared to the classical subtractive process itself has a benefit for everyone. We see now a material reduction by 82% because we only cover the features where we need the solder mask instead of covering the entire board with solder mask. For sure, when you look at the inkjet solder mask technology, you see ecological and economical benefits, and you can save for sure a lot of energy, water and chemicals. That's really a great situation. I think there are so many advantages that I'm not able to talk about every single one. If you can compare the classical solder mask with the classical downs and the openings next to copper traces, and you compare that to an inkjet printed solder mask, you directly see where the advantage is. You have a protection at the side of the copper traces. You are able to create even smaller features because you don't need the spacing any longer. One big advantage of inkjet printed solder mask is also a kind of self-alignment that you will have on your tool. Other great advantage of digital processes for sure that you are able nearly to produce man less. When we leave in the evening the company, we just keep the tool running. Fela is proud to be the first PCB manufacturer in the world that delivered an inkjet printed PCB to a customer. We are proud to be the first one that started with that technology in mass production. And I'm sure that we will be proud that we will be the first ones that switch the whole solder mask production to the inkjet process.